Alright, guys. So we got Hurricane Lee that's going to hit Canada very soon. So let's go take a look. Now, as you see here, 5 a.m. on Monday is at M. It is currently a Category 3 right now. But as it's going to hit Canada, it's supposed to be... It'll probably be a Category 2 as it makes landfall to Nova Scotia. Then a Category 1 later on by September 17th. Here, as you can see here, zoom in, and let me just, right here, as of right now, it is a Category 3, and this side's going to be a Category 4 again. But there was a Category 5. Up to Category 5. That's very rare. Hurricane Lee is the biggest hurricane of the year so far. Then it might be a Category 4 again, then back to Category 3 by the 13th of September. Expected to be Category 4 by tonight. And then that's where it makes landfall to Canada by the 17th. And then the 18th, it'll make landfall to the northern part of Canada. It's not expected to hit southeastern United States, but most likely parts of northeastern United States, probably part of New York, and some at Boston, and parts of Montreal, Quebec, and a few more of it. Anyway, this is Lee. We are tracking. We're gonna update every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.